How to update ADP Mobile Solutions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can update ADP Mobile Solutions app on your iPhone. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now what you'll need to do is make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi connection or mobile data, whichever you prefer. Just make sure that you're connected to a good and stable connection. After you've done that, you can then move on and go to your App Store. On your App Store, simply search for ADP Mobile Solutions. After you search for ADP Mobile Solutions, you should find the app. Open it up. Now, right here, currently no update is available, but if you see an update option instead of the open one, tap on update and update the app. The update should begin, and it can take some time depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. After the update completes, you should be able to come back here and use your ADP app like always. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye. Take care.